Yamaha built a motorcycle so advanced, it borrowed technology straight from MotoGP. Meet the Yamaha YZF R1M. Powered by a 998 cubic centimeter crossplane, inline 4 engine producing around 200 horsepower, the R1M delivers a unique exhaust note and incredible power that's made it one of the most respected superbikes on the planet. What sets it apart is its race-focused technology. It features electronic Öhlins suspension, a lightweight carbon fiber body, and a 6-axis IMU that constantly monitors the bike's movement to control traction, wheelies, slides, and braking. Every part of the R1M is designed to make you faster on the track while giving you the confidence to push harder. The Yamaha R1M isn't just a superbike, it's the closest thing to riding a MotoGP-inspired machine with a license plate.